Perplexity launched an AI-powered browser called Comet. And in this video, I want to test it out to see if it's worth using as an English learning tool. I want to see if the AI features make it better than any other browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever. Are the AI features rich? How much do they add to the experience? How can the AI features be used for language learning, right? Research, learning things, context, right? That's what we need to find out. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, check out the 90-day program in the links in the description. All right, so this is Comet, and it looks like Perplexity sitting inside of Google Chrome, kind of. The widgets seem to be just regular widgets, and there's an assistant option, and that's what I'm going to try. Now, I think this is more of a promotional video, but I don't know, maybe I'll click on that later. I want to try assistant first, because I think, hey, an assistant is here to assist me, right? I have to watch a video about how to use an assistant. Can I just use it though? Email, calendar, browser, search. All right, let's just close this and let's just use it. Try assistant. Is it forcing me to watch what? It says try Comet Assistant. Do I have to click through all of these to use it? Or is assistant the browser itself? If I click on assistant, now it's an assistant. So clicking on Try Assistant doesn't allow you to try Assistant. Clicking on Assistant in the top right allows you to use Assistant. I'm going to move myself over here so that you can see this. This tiny box here that I cannot zoom into, unfortunately, is the Assistant. And if I click on this, I think I can use voice mode, which is definitely how you'd want to use this, right? Hey, just using Comet for the first time. What's different about it? What's special? What should I do to test it out?
Comet offers several unique features. You can ask questions and get real-time answers, manage your browser tabs efficiently, and even dictate your queries. You can also attach files and use voice commands. Start by trying a voice query or organizing your tabs to see how it works.
Okay, so I'm going to open a tab. And I'm going to go to pizza.com. Pizza.com. Okay, and then I'm going to open another tab, and I'm going to go to www.lukepriddy.com. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, we'll go to this website. Start with a free study plan, take a quiz and get a free study plan. Nice. If I wanted to do that, I might look in the links in the description. That might be a good idea. Oh, looks like there's a 2-hour training happening in 51 minutes. Might be worth checking out. Okay. So I've got 2 tabs. Now I'll go back to this. Hey, so, okay, help me organize my tabs.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you tell me how you'd like to organize them? For example, do you want to group tabs by topic or close those you no longer need?
I don't know. I don't really have an issue with tabs. I'm not sure why that needs to be an AI feature. Can you just reverse the order of my tabs that I currently have open?
It seems I can't directly reorder your open tabs from here. You might try manually dragging them to reorder in your browser.
Oh, wow, great. So I manually do the thing. Okay, cool. Let's do something else. I don't even know where to start Perplexity browser. Maybe we should do a query. I want to work on my English learning skills. Give me some recommendations about something I can do in Perplexity browser to work on my English learning skills. Perplexity browser, please.
You can use Perplexity to improve your English skills by exploring various resources. You might start by reading articles, listening to English podcasts, or engaging in interactive grammar and vocabulary exercises. Would you like me to find a specific resource or type of activity?
Why don't you search the Cloud English podcast and open it up on Spotify? Okay, so searching sources. Oh, there it is. Okay. Ooh, it's been a while since the latest episode. I wonder when he's going to post again. Hopefully soon. Okay, so you have to open up the assistant in every page where you want to use it. It doesn't follow you around.
That's correct. The assistant isn't embedded on every page automatically. You'll need to open the assistant whenever you want to use it for a specific task or question on a page. This ensures you have control over when and where you use it.
I see. Well, okay. Can you open up an interesting article with, let's say, B2 level language, maybe on archaeology that I can read? Okay, so it's cool that I can just Britannica archaeology. I didn't have to be so literal. I thought it would find one on the topic of archaeology rather than just search archaeology in Encyclopedia Britannica. It is the study of... Okay. So here's the thing. To me, as I'm using this, standout feature of this would be if the assistant followed me around and persisted everywhere I went, then it could be like a companion. But if I have to open it every time I open a new page, then it's like starting over again. And so that's kind of awkward. I want to have the assistant move around with me on the web, opening pages and there with me, aware that I opened the page, right? Rather than having to be opened fresh every time. See, it didn't open the voice assistant. When I clicked on that, it just opened the assistant without the voice. Now I have to click on the voice. Hey, can you pick out 3 B2 level vocabulary words from this page?
The page you are viewing discusses various aspects of archaeology, including its definition, history, and methods. Here are 3 B2 level vocabulary words from the content. 1. Artifacts, objects made by humans, typically an item of cultural or historical interest. Excavation, the process of digging up the earth to uncover buried artifacts or structures. 3. Chronology, the arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence.
Okay, that's pretty interesting. Hey, can you tell me what I asked you before we were on this page?
I'm unable to recall past interactions or messages from before this page. If you have a question...
So you are you're only aware of the page that you're on and the requests or questions about that page. Is that right?
That's correct. My responses are based on the current page you're viewing and any questions or requests you have about it. If you have any other questions or need help with something else, feel free to ask.
Okay, let's do this. Why don't you open up YouTube and find a video about checking in at the airport from Cloud English. Okay, there it is. Oh, to have to do this every time. Here's the video. Can you open up the video from Cloud English about how to check in at the airport in English? Hello?
Hello. I've opened the requested YouTube video about checking in at the airport in...
No, you haven't opened it up. Can you open it up for me, please? Can you... I see you can't open it. Okay. I'll click on it myself. And then you
Sounds
might
good.
say,
if you need any more assistance, just let me know.
Now, what do you do? Can you summarize the video and give me a few key phrases from it? Hello?
I'm unable to directly play or summarize YouTube videos. You might want to watch the video directly for the details. Or if you...
Well, yeah, but the great thing about having an AI assistant here with me is that my assistant can help me because I can click on, I think there's probably an AI summary somewhere I could click on. I guess it's not on this one. But yeah, I mean, having a summary or being able to talk about the video with my trusty assistant would be fantastico.
I'm glad to assist. If you have any questions about the video or need help with anything else, feel free to ask.
What is the video about?
The video, How to Check In at the Airport in English, Travel English from Cloud English, focuses on teaching essential phrases and vocabulary needed for the airport check-in process. It covers how to communicate with the airline staff, handle your boarding pass and luggage, and navigate the check-in counters smoothly. The video aims to build confidence and ensure a stress-free travel experience.
You said you can't read it, but now you're kind of saying what it is. But I'm not sure if you're doing that. Can you give me one specific phrase mentioned in the video? Can you read the top comment in the video, from under the video?
Hello, I'm here to help. How can I assist you today?
Well, the page we're on, I'm wondering if you could just read the top comment. Is that a no? Are you just quiet when you can't do things? Can you read the top comment under the video? Okay. Let's see. I have to open this again. What word am I selecting?
I'm unable to hear or identify the word you're selecting. Could you please describe the word or provide more details about what you're working on?
No. Okay, what else can I do with the Perplexity's new browser, Comet? What are some of the key AI features that I can do besides interacting with the assistant and organizing my browser tabs?
With Comet Browser, besides interacting with the assistant and organizing your tabs, you can also search through your browsing history, group related tabs for better productivity, and open new tabs to explore different websites. The browser also allows you to control web pages by performing tasks like clicking elements and entering text, which can be useful for automation or managing online activities.
Can you click on the pizza vending machine link on this page that we're on here? It turned blue. It did it. Oh, you did it. Oh, you did it. Okay. Can you scroll down on this page and then click on the 90-day program section button? No. Scroll up. Oh, no, you got to scroll up. There's a section about the 90-day program. You can click on that button there. No, it's here. Okay, can you click on that button right there? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's from the previous one. You have to add your email.
The button has been clicked.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't been clicked. This button opens that thing where you have to put in your email. This one does not. This one goes straight to the thing. This one, when you click on...
It seems there was an issue with the action.
Do you dare interfere with me? Do you dare? Oh, it's still doing stuff even though I've stopped? Oh my goodness. I just want to click on this button here. Is that so hard? What the heck? I feel like I'm fighting with it. There it is. It's open. Okay, goodness. Okay, thank you. By the way, this is not accurate. It includes all these things, but now it also includes a PDF, downloadable PDF with a bunch of AI English learning prompts. I created it. It is a workbook. I think it's very good. It is included for free in the 90-day program. And if you want to buy it by itself, you can do that here. There it is. You can download it. It is a workbook. There's the table of contents. You can see everything that's there. It's a bunch of really, really useful prompts. I worked a long, long time on this. I think it's very good. And again, it is included for free in the 90-day program. You get immediate access. Pretty cool. All right. I feel like it's such a missed opportunity here. The idea of having a persistent assistant following you around on web pages. I mean, if you're going to build a native browser and you're the one who built it, you need to think deeply about what the assistant is going to do. If you have to click to open the assistant in every web page and then open the voice each time you want to speak, it becomes very clunky. If the AI assistant on that web page is not aware of every word on that web page, then it again becomes much less useful. If I say, hey, I'm selecting this word and it can't see the word I've selected or the phrase I've selected, because if I'm learning English, if you're learning English, you want to be able to select a phrase and say, explain this. Select a phrase, explain this, select a phrase, explain this. I refuse to believe that technically that's impossible. Technically it is possible, absolutely. And it's their browser. So I feel like the AI is not as deeply integrated as it should be. It should be aware of every action I take. If I select that, it should know that, and I should be able to use my voice to speak and ask any question I want about that thing that's on there. the page, the word that's on the screen that I'm selecting, the phrase, right? It should be able to, if I can open a YouTube video and go to the transcript, if you go to a YouTube video and you click on, if you go to a YouTube video and you go underneath and you click show transcript, why am I way zoomed in? The whole thing is there, right? That's the whole transcript. It should be able to do that, read through the video transcript. It should do it automatically. You should be able to query and ask questions about it. And it doesn't do that. So I think it would be much better, since I'm talking to you now, Perplexity, much better if it were constantly, or you at least had the option to have it there constantly across all tabs, so that it was aware of your journey and what you're doing and can kind of follow you around and gains context and awareness as it goes, as you go together, that it can be aware of everything that's on the page, that you can use your voice to ask about anything that's on the page, that it does background research on things on the page before you even ask, so that it can give an immediate answer. Like when I open a YouTube video, it just automatically reads the entire transcript, and then we can talk about it, or I can ask a question about it. That sort of deep intelligence should be baked into a browser that you are making, a browser that is a custom browser that you have the opportunity, because you can control everything about it, you have the opportunity to create a new kind of browser. And the things I'm talking about, the persistent AI that follows you across tabs, the deep context awareness, the background research or background context awareness so that it's ready to answer any question, all that stuff would be, I would think, included in this new kind of browsing experience, which certainly shouldn't be that complicated. But this is very kind of, I don't know, it feels like an extension in Chrome or something. It doesn't feel deep. It doesn't feel integrated. And I'm not sure. So I'm probably not going to use it, unfortunately. I wish it were better. The opportunity is huge, but it's a swing and a miss from my point of view. Would you agree with that, Perplexity? And another thing, sometimes it just says, I didn't hear what you said, or it says say something, but when I'm speaking, the voice thing is going and it seems to know that I'm speaking. So that I'm confused about that too. I'm speaking to you, Perplexity. It says say something. I'm saying something. You're registering that I'm saying something. So why don't you answer? Perplexity. Come on. All right. See, there you go. Could be cool. Isn't cool. Wish it was. Hope it gets better. If they fix it, I'll try it again. Please make it cool. This is your chance. This is your chance. Make a browser that works and is amazing and has AI baked into it on a deep level. That would be so cool. I will stop using Chrome. I will stop using everything. I will use this if it does that. Absolutely. So please do it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Check out the 90-day program. Get your free study plan in the links in the description. Let me know what you think about Perplexity's Comet browser. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.